Hey Cece. There was something really weird at school today.
Sam, hi. Really, what happened?
Well, I walked into my classroom and there was noises coming from inside of the cupboard. It was really strange. I looked in there but no one was in there.
Now that is strange. Maybe we should check it out tomorrow.
Yeah, okay then. So how was your day?
It was okay, but everyone kept shouting at me and ignoring me. I don't know why.
Oh Cece, don't worry, it's fine. You have me. Forget them, who haven't done anything wrong. Some people are horrible.
Will do. Thanks, you're a good friend. I got to go home now. Mom is waiting. Meet me here in the morning.
Okay, will do, bye.